Here is part 3 of how to avoid common mistakes when recording at home. Preparation. It's the foundation of a successful recording session. Skipping warm-ups, failing to set up equipment correctly, or diving in without practicing the lyrics often results in wasted time and multiple takes. Here's our tip. Before hitting record, take a few minutes to warm up your voice. Ensure the microphone and gear are positioned properly and rehearse the song to build confidence. This may sound simple, but it's easy to add a little extra sparkle with just a few minutes of preparation. Inconsistent vocal levels and dynamics are another common issue. If some parts of your performance are too loud, while others are barely audible, it can make the mixing process much harder. To avoid this, work on your microphone technique. Move slightly away from the mic during loud sections and closer during softer ones. Additionally, using a compressor or limiter during the mixing phase can help smooth out any remaining inconsistencies. Proper breath control is also essential for achieving a natural and professional sound. Poor breathing technique can result in awkward phrasing and unwanted gasps picked up by the microphone. Practice controlled breathing and plan your breath around the natural pauses in the lyrics to ensure a smooth performance. If you need some help with breathing techniques, shoot us a message or comment below. If you haven't so far, watch part 1 and 2 of this series to be prepared for your next home recording.